efonzweni phela manje uthobekile nje uvela wasithatha la wasibeka la wasisa la wasibeka la ayithobekile hayi ngiyakuvuma ziphi iduka zaseThekwini. Yes, this is the type of gospel oyikhumbula noma usukephi. Yasho indodakazi yathi ma ngangihleli ngibukela ukuva ngihlala lesontweni kodwa ngathi sengihambile sekwelinye izwe. And then I remembered the South African gospel ukuthi ayifani nezinye indawo ihamba yodwa nje. This is the true South African gospel. Uma ke sesicula lezi thina sesi in the midst of i-presence kaNkulunkulu sesizizwa ukuthi cha sesigida ke manje siyagida because Africans can dance. They can dance. Kuyashiwa makhushe phela lawo. Makhushe lawo yadansa. Aphiwe nje yadansa kakhulu indaba okudlala uma edumisa. Siyabonga kakhulu. Ngicela ukuthi nje there is a slight change in the program. UPastor Zondo obekufanele angene ekugcineni uthi no. Angikwazi ukuthi ngithi ngikhuliswe uPastor uDlomo. I was groomed by my senior pastor. Iprotocol ayimvumeli ukuthi ngikhulume emva kokuthi umuntu omdala esekhulumile. Ngithi nathi siyazi ukuthi abantwana bakhuluma kuqala and then abantu abadala bese belandela. Ngakhumbula uJesu noJohane ethomnye umbhabhatise ethomnye ayichana umbhabhatise kongaphasi nongaphezulu bezithobo. Uyazithoba ubaba uZonke uthi no, I can't. The protocol doesn't allow me to speak before my senior pastor. So Pastor Dlomo now say okay, Pastor Zondo, just because we are here in the DPCI, if I start to object, the Hawks are going to arrest me. I do comply. So Pastor Zondo, you must thank the Hawks because you've been saved. Otherwise, Babu Dlomo, Tina Shkamangali, besokubopha nje very soon. Hallelujah. Siyabonga ke njengamanje ngizocela ubaba umfundisi uzo.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Asishali izandla, can you keep yourself a round of applause? Asishali izandla. Okay, let me start by greeting our party. Away khundla zabo ngibingelele our senior pastor Babu Dlomo. Siyamhlonipha kakhulu. Ungazi ngingani ngimncane sikhulele phambi kwabo. Cela simshayele izandla babukhulu Dlomo. All right, I want to belong. I was yes man here in microphone there. Ngeza ngibe formal msana. Ayikho le microphone ehambayo. Lapha continue microphone ehambayo besigezi. Cutlass. A walking microphone ehambayo 20 besigezi. Cutlass. Ayikho le microphone ehambayo. 1 2. Uyifake ivolume ngoba thina singama Africa. Sifuna sikhuluma kube siqi. 1 2 ingahleli. Konke manje akayinyuse uthini? Volume please. 1 2 volume. Amtshela ashaye volume. Upstairs. Volume upstairs. 1 2. Ifane nale. Email ifane nale. 1 2. Asimshayele izandla ke ndawo isikole. Okay, abafethu ngale nje ngokuwaste isikhathi. Angibonge nje kokuqala uku-invite wala. Yabona makuthiwa ubizwa ama-Hawks ushaya uvalo. Kumele bathiwa nje ama-Hawks ayakubiza. Kodwa ipeye uvalo. Kodwa uzomotivate ngathi yes. Abathona abangane abarathi ake sishayele nje abafowethu nabaphathi izandla inkoni izandla nje inkoni. Okay, I was taught ukuthi if you want your speech to be powerful, to be exceptional, Juliska Mandela. If you want your speech to be above the speech of Madiba, Leska Obama, you must have 3 things. Mawufuna ngabe umuntu okhulumisa kwakho ngalesi day ngake 3 things. Number 1, have something to say. Number 2, say it. Number 3, sit down. I won't be long of it. Have something to say. Number 2, say it. Number 3, sit down. What? Have something to say. Don't hesitate. Say it. Then sit down. It's a kiss presentation. It's a kiss presentation. Keep it short and simple. So into esoyixoxa nakancane as we are about ukungena kwi-new year kunyaka omusha. Number one, it's a COVID. The wisest of all, Solomon once said, when there is no vision, people perish. We don't perish because of the devil. We don't perish because of sin. We don't perish because we are not educated. But we perish because we don't have vision. What is a vision? We started creating vision. From the Bible. When God created us, He simply just said, let us make men in our own image and our own likeness. Image likeness. God ends before He begins. He creates before He makes. Before aqale. Akaqali engaqedanga. Ungawuqali unyaka omusha kanti awukawuqedi. Seniyangizwa. God ends, you must be able to begin with the end in mind. As we are about to enter 2019, make sure you have already 2019 usuqedile. Mama kawuqedi 2019 usuqedile wona. Issued engiyigqokile, this suit nesuit oyigqoke wena, it was finished before it was started. Iqale nje simple yadwetshwa kuqala before kwalento kuthiwa yini design toy yini the design it before this suit yathumba was knitted, but it was designed first. It was even from the Bible, uNkulunkulu wenza into elula as simple. Genesis chapter 1 verse 27, God said, let us make men in our own image and our own likeness. Chapter 2 verse 7, and God created man. Chapter 1, God said, let us make men. uNkulunkulu wamqoqa wamnceda. Chapter 2, God began. Ukuthi enze into already seyicedile ku chapter 1. Ngoba God ends before He begins. Make sure must get at 2019 u2019 usuqedile. Ngoba mu 2019 ungakawuqedi 2019 usuqedile uyiwo nje. Ngivamisa ukuthi umyalezo wami omfishane engizowenza manje i-credit should go to the primary school teachers for abasifundisana izinto complicated. They taught us simple things in primary. That was R, A, E, O, U. That is A, E, I, O, U. That is I, O, U for less than 10 minutes bafethu. Ngicela ukushare nje ngento ezokwenza ube exceptional. If you want to be exceptional, you make sure that you become successful in everything that you do. I started the simple. Ama vowels R, A, E, O, U. That is A, E, I, O, U. U-A waqala, U-A ka accountability. In life, you must learn to be accountable. You must learn to be asishobo mzokhomba wedwa mngazi. You must learn to be ngiyazi hotel abanye balijwayele. Sithola ngoba i-department kunentenzayo. Unangisabi hotel akhuliyela. Hotel ungena ngisho ungenamali, mabebuza ufunani uthi water for now. Akashayi izandla enkulu, just water for now. Don't be scared of the hotel. You can simply just enter the hotel and say water for now. Okay. A for accountability. In life, I will take only less than 10 minutes per face. I'll be short. You must learn to be accountable. At school, they taught us A. I've said A, E, I, O, U, R, A, E, O, U. Accountability. You must avoid the spirit of irresponsibility, the spirit of shifting the blame. Every time you stumble, every time you have somebody to blame. Sikwaqala uMadiba bangaphosisi, first president was Madiba. Uphuma nje sesiyamkhomotha. Kwalandela uMbeki, uphuma nje sesiyamkhuluma. Kwalandela uMsholozi, uphuma sesiyamkhuluma. Now it's Ramaphosa sesimfake petrol unyuka the price. Let us stop every time mawuphila impilo yokushift iplane, you will die like a dog. You must learn to be accountable. Mina ngizozonke izinto ezangishaya empilweni. Yonke into yangiletha down, akekho umuntu ongihlomekisa njengaleli khanda elikhulu eliphambi kwami. Every time uzowina empilweni, you must learn just to put our fingers just straight to. You must learn. Are you aware? Ngabi AIDS ayikho, ngabi cancer ayikho. Sometimes when you tell you to Adam, when they now you accountability. God came to Adam and said, Adam, did you sin? Adam wanted uNkulunkulu pledged forgiveness. God wanted to forgive Adam. Adam udlile yini? Did you eat? Was shifty blame. What did you know? It's Eve. And God said, Eve, ngabe enter Eve. Eve udlile yini? Was shifty blame. What in your? What the one would enjoy like I was in the office. And we must let Buffalo. They were Sipila South Africa. Sasnakaba, which is Kapila school legend. Corner there is a bad cloud, a dark cloud. Yes, spirits of shifting the blame. Our parents are blaming God. Ingane zikhomba ama-parents othisha ophema abafundi bakhomba othisha, umfundisi ukhomba isonto likhomba umfundisi, amadoda athi abasifazane izitsha yabesifazane athi amadoda izitsha, uhulumeni ukhomba abantu bakhomba uhulumeni, amaphoyisa asola abantu basola amaphoyisa. Akekho ofuna ukuthi it's my fault. I'm sorry. The spirit. We must avoid the spirit of shifting the blame, the spirit of irresponsibility. Number 1A, we must learn to be accountable. For you to be on top, it's your responsibility. It's not the responsibility of the government, of the mayor, of everything. I need that. Emhlabeni eshayidodoni. Can't the whole man arasnika mangundani. Do you know which woman when you was banana go to shower it? You sleep up until it's 8 o'clock, it's 9 o'clock. You will never find a dog. Ile you go wait. My woman going to move and then wait. Hey, I'm 49. I give 17, I'm here now. How you can you when you sleep here? When we booze up. Who are they? It's a nice. You know what if you only surveys? Most waiting. No, why tomorrow? It's a holiday. If it's not working, it's a holiday. Multiple churches wait, but we want it to go okay, A for accountability. Number 2, they taught us the excellence. Life is not about doing big things, but life is about doing small things in a big way. There is a golden rule for you to be there. For you to be able to achieve your goal, not to achieve your circle. There is one golden rule. You must excel where you are. Once you excel where you are, you will find yourself usula. This is simple. Me I'm morning coffee tigers. Me I'm morning coffee tigers.
Oh, Father, I pray. I need that position. Oh God, give full of that position.
Ufika late emsebenzini, unamamut, tuba excellent. Number 3, they taught I tweet kasha ka integrity. Ungabi into nje otholakala usuyenye, tomorrow you are another thing, namhlanje you are somebody else, tomorrow. Integrity. Ngala kancane ukutwina necharacter. Mbabele this one sentence. When can you say this sentence after me? When wealth is lost, nothing is lost. When health is lost, at least something is lost. But when character is lost, all is lost. This is the golden rule. When wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If you have lost money, don't fight. The money you have lost is nothing compared to a church also is silent. God is about to bless you. Get check also can. Let them not say a little man. Mom don't take kill and you swap us hand. Just be quiet now, man. When wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If you have lost your car, the car you have lost is nothing compared to the latest Mercedes Benz as a driver. Don't fight. Whatever you have lost is nothing compared to the things coming your way. When wealth is lost, nothing is lost. But when health is lost, hey, at least something is lost. And as I'm a Christian, I'm going to be well held. It's up to you whether your teeth are going to favor Orlando Pirates or Kaizer Chiefs. As I'm shopping, you cannot pray for your teeth and say,
Oh Lord, I'm taking my teeth to.
Hey, brush your teeth. It's your responsibility.
I'm getting go for the West Ham.
I know. One relationship is like people that get car. What is so shoe by the manzi? What is over manzi? No man shoe a book knee. Yeah, what does a car?
Oh, Father, I'm praying for this pot, for this car.
For the soup. It's up to you. God will give you hair. But which hairstyle, it's up to you. Whether over yellow or white, it's up to you. There are things the fullest thing I understand. Kuma relationship are there to Satan. What are they? I go Satan, quality. Okay, but sefundiswa ayika integrity. Wonke umuntu ama positions esikuona, you must respect the position uNkulunkulu akunikeze yona. Okwakubona umuntu for the first time ophuza even stay. Ukholomo. Phela kunabantu aba abuse alcohol. Alcohol is not a sin, but it is a sin abuse alcohol. Isidlo senkosi asisona isono. Sengisibonile nje matafuleni isidlo nasiningi. Sengisibonile isidlo ngasho ngathi hayi umningi uJesu la ekhaya. Ake sishaya izandla nje Jesus in the house. Okay, it's December time. It's December time. Don't abuse alcohol. Don't. Ungabi kuma drugs kakhulu bafethu. Do you know ukuthi ubantu wama drugs awuyihlukumezi wena kodwa uhlukumeza thina. Umuntu odlala ama drugs man, it's your family and your friends ababa with problems, but it's not you. Have you ever observed umuntu ophuza iSmirnoff for the first time? You drink iSmirnoff like this. Put it in the pocket. Then you tears a lot. But in the pocket will stand. You drink again. Smirnoff. Then what? Then you fall down. Part. The pocket of Smirnoff will tell you that I'm older than you. I was born in 1880. Okay. Number 4, they taught us to owe. I've said number 1, they taught us to A, accountability, E for excellence, I for integrity, O for obedience. Obedience in our faith is very important. As Africans, we know what our seniors are showing. Ubaba is older than me. He's my senior. In nature, in OP, can I obey my senior who's given a breakthrough? Ungathi ngicela nje indlela kahle kakhulukazi ngabebala lakithi abamnyama. Ungakulingi ube ne-hairstyle ebizayo nesuit ebizayo ngathi salikwazi silambile ekhaya. Umzali ushibhile besaphila ngoba ufuna isponge. Besefile ufuna i-casket. Besaphila ufuna i-dry pack. Besefile ufuna inkomo. Your home is very important than your church. Your family is more important than your church. You shouldn't criticize anything. The truth will set you free, but it will hurt you first. Your family is more important than anything on earth. Let's wait a bit. Obedience. We must learn to obey our seniors. Now, if you want to be up there, you must make sure that you respect as a subordinate. You must respect abantu peswako. If you want to be a principal, make sure as a teacher you respect a principal. Otherwise, you're so for told. If you want to be a pastor, while you are an usher, make sure you respect umfundiswako so that imvelo noNkulunkulu ezokuthonta ube pastor. If you want to be a millionaire, speak nice about a millionaires. You cannot attract what you hate. Most in China, abamhlophe senzokhetha na 2 minutes ngihlale phansi. Saya abamhlophe bangasizwa la. Singezwakali. Bangasizwa Nkosi. Have you ever observed? Phela no, mase ngisho lokho ngizosho. How like in China, this is unsustainable. Have you ever observed the queue? If you're in a queue, we're about to withdraw the money with ATM. It's a white guy in front, who dark, black man, is second, an Indian, a dead, and the rest. Uma, a white guy, here withdrawing money. ATM. Tip, 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 tip. Pin. Tip, 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 tip. Withdrawal. Machine will ask. 100, 300, 600, 1,002. The white guy, other. Okay, other. Withdrawal. Tip, 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 5,000. Okay. If you're rich, you don't take a sleep. She has paid. If you're poor, it's automatic. It's automatic. Yes, automatically. You read other people's balance. What people are blessed. Balance. 27,690,000. Yes. What people are blessed. Why the black men? Go to the side machine. The machine will ask a pin. Tick, 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 tick. Withdrawal. That black man is rich. Mr. Kiss is rich. Withdrawal. Tick, tick, other. Withdrawal. 5,000. 5,000. Balance. 35,600,000. The same thing man will say, hey, yo, Swaga. Hey, yo, Swaga. Normally, we must learn to appreciate. No shy izandla abanye abantu bephumelela. Asikakhulumi kabi nabantu abaphumelelayo. Okay, can you demonstrate one thing in this one last minute. Can you hold the person next to you? I'm about to pray right now. So can you hold like this? Like this. Can you hold the person next to you? Can you hold the person next to you like this? Hold it high. Okay, can you hold it down? Are you a good listener? Yes. I've said 30 seconds, come on, hold your neighbor's head high. No, hold it down. Not yours. Golden rule. Okay, hold it high. Hold it high. When you commit yourself to make sure other people are up, you go up, you rise with them. I did not say your hand, but I've said take your neighbor's head high. If you take your neighbor's high, you go up with them. Hold them down. Are you aware if your hand is down? Ungaphindele ukhulume kabi ngabanye abantu. Thina singama-Afrika. Once we as Africans, no one can take a mali, udaka, and throw to other people and remain with clean hands. Once you take a mali, udaka, washaya ngalabantu, even your hands too. Come on. Yena ukhuluma kabi ngabanye abantu. Lastly, they taught us for you, be a unifier. Speak nice about other people. Speak unity about other people.
Peace, my friend. Peace.
Let me pray. Our senior pastor, just to bless us, particularly as in a public here. Who's in the public? Yes, when you go to Kawa. Now, yes, I'm going to put my child out to this place. It's beautiful. I thought, lots of people now, I must speak English. Okay. No, I'm right, that's the one. Yeah.